This week on Done on Fire, we're checking out King Prawn. And as my guest today on the show, I have someone who is absolutely beautiful and very, very talented. I'm happy to have the very famous Shadow. We're checking out King Prawn and I'm with Sheshadri on Done on Fire. Thank you for being on the show.
Thank you for having me.
So Done on Fire is all about food. You and I have gone through similar problems in life, but you have actually achieved your target. You have lost weight. She took a photograph next to me and I barely can see her. And I'm like, you've really lost weight. Or does it mean that I've really put on weight? Be nice.
Don't know. I don't know.
But you as a middle child, have you ever gone through this middle child syndrome?
Like, yes, always.
What are the symptoms for it? I don't know, I'm the last, I got spoiled. We can start eating, by the way.
Yeah.
Don't feel shy, yeah?
Right.
Because if you feel shy, I can't eat, no, that's the
Don't
only
worry.
reason.
Don't have to be shy.
I like
I'm
this.
not
So
shy.
you are allergic to prawns, so I'm going to just eat this. But you can take an antihistamine and eat if you want.
Yeah, I'm actually tempted to eat that.
Go for it.
I don't want to take a chance.
So now, where were we? Okay, so your middle child syndrome.
No, like, you know, there were times when I felt left out. There
Really?
were times when I felt...
Where were you left out? So eldest gets what? Youngest gets something?
Yes, and I don't get most of the things.
Really?
Not really. It's just a mentality, you know,
Okay.
that we all have. And you know that there's a particular day to celebrate the middle child. It's
When
the
is that?
12th of August.
Okay.
Yeah, it's the 12th of August. So
Only for a middle child that day is, there is no
I-
first child day,
No.
last.
It's only for the middle child.
Clearly.
Yes.
And what do you do on that day?
Nothing. I just post a picture on Instagram, and I expect my sisters to love me more. But it's they just
Doesn't work.
Yeah, it doesn't work.
All right. Now, you come from the Prasad family, very artistic. Also kind of hard to like be in a family that's full of, what can I say, talent. You all can be dramatic, no? How is the dramatic approach to life? How are you all at home? Are you all like laid back and simple or?
It's a mix of everything. So sometimes we like to stay on our own.
Okay.
Shanu, of course, is a person. She likes to be isolated.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
Really?
But no, at home.
Ah, okay.
At home. And she likes to stay alone. She wants to be on her own, doing
How
TikToks
can I marry
and all
her?
that. Don't worry, she'll be okay around
Okay.
you.
Right. Okay.
So also there are times when we are all three of us are together, and there are so many things to
Parents spoil whom the most?
do. The little one,
Really?
yeah.
100%.
So it's like this.
Please take note, auntie.
It's like this. Ammi loves Aki. So obviously I know that's because she's the firstborn child, and then I came along.
But you were the second for a long time and you were the last.
Yeah, but still, once you have a baby after a really long gap,
Ne mage rattaranduwe.
Yeah.
That's where the song comes in. No? Yeah.
so obviously, I have to understand the parents will love the little one more.
Did you throw tantrums when you were growing up? Because my sister
I
did.
can't remember.
Oh, really? My
I
sister
don't
asked
remember.
one of my aunts to get out of the house.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Because she came to see.
I
just
don't think
me.
I did that.
You are not so much of a drama.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, how is it in terms of talent at home? You all sit and talk about work. You all sit and talk about what you all are doing, the projects that are, because all three of you are so busy.
Yeah. Danu, I started working after almost 5-year break. Yeah, so it
But the
feels,
comeback was great.
Yeah, but I had this idea of not getting into teledramas, and I wanted to be only on movies and all that. But I just thought, looking at the situation today, when you take the industry, I think we all need to adjust. We need to, like, move forward by adjusting and adapting to different situations. So I got many opportunities in the teledrama industry, and obviously I rejected. But then again, I thought to myself, if I come across a really good script, a really good character with a really good cast and a director, I would definitely go for it. So I finally decided to do a teledrama, and we actually completed the first schedule. So now looking forward to,
Okay, but
see.
is that your first teledrama? Because
Yeah.
you've always acted in films.
That's my first teledrama.
And how was the feeling? It's very different than a movie
Yes,
set
it's
because
very different.
it's not so elaborate, but yet it's there.
I think teledrama is a little bit harder than movies. Acting in a teledrama is harder than movies because movies we can always dub later, but in a teledrama it's always direct sound. So that is some like a little bit of a hard thing that I experienced. Other than that, if you have a really good cast, if you have a good director to direct you, I think you can do a really good job.
Okay. There's always a plus and minus when it comes to coming from a family that's into this whole movie, teledrama industry. You come from a family that has been established for it. That means you either get opportunities or you get zero opportunities, saying that, hey, go to Koma Tari Hambu, So we're going to speak more about it, of course, when we do come back. She's actually the one who is always very neutral. I like that about her. We'll speak more on the other side with the mains, and at the same time, if you're wondering where are we, I told you at the start, it's King Prawn. It's a brand new location, just close to Mount, at the start of the Mount area when you drive. Is it? Yeah, somewhere. It's in Mount, right?
Yeah.
As you pass the Hibala. Yeah.
Yes.
It's on Gall Road and it's fabulous food. I'm telling you, this is just a starter. The main looks great. We're going to show you more when we do come back. Food, good location, and a beautiful person. You can never go wrong with this combination. Thanks for joining us on Danu on Fire right here on High TV, your luxury channel. We're checking out King Prawn and we are getting our mains served. It's always good when you get pampered like this. So she's actually going to fake eat, but we have now forced her to take an antihistamine and eat.
Thanks.
If anything happens to her after this show, you know what happened. It's because we caught an allergy through this. When did you discover that you have allergy to prawns?
Few years ago.
But
like
it's so
2-3 years ago.
But it's ironic that I asked you to come to King Prawn and you were like, here I really like to come, but I'm a bit allergic to prawns. But what to do? But they have so too many things to eat here. Do you like this fish? It's looking at me and talking to me, saying things. Hello, how are you? All right. Now let's speak a little bit about this. You got into this industry before Dinakshi.
I think Aki and we got into the industry.
But you were like reading newspapers.
That was very small.
Yeah, very small.
That was in 2000. Back in 2000. Yeah.
Why do I feel old? But you all were not very small, no?
I think I was in grade 4.
Huh?
I was in grade 4.
Annie here.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yes.
With the 2 ribbons like that?
Yeah.
අද අපි කියවන්නේ මොනා ගැනද?
Yeah, that's exactly how we did it.
Yeah. Was that the style? But you were one of the very first, thank you, one of the very first few who got onto screen at a young age. At that time when children's programming was becoming a big deal in our country.
Yeah.
And live.
Yeah.
Kids were never put live before.
Yeah, I think back then, our school, we were not allowed to.
So you all had to move to international schools,
No,
right?
no, no, no.
Oh.
We got a special permission from sister, and because it was a children's program. So it was myself, my sister, and Pramodi. The three of us, we were doing the program, Punchi Panchi. So I think most of them still remember us.
Yeah.
As,
You kind of look the same still.
But why?
You kind of, if you remove your eye makeup, you'll look the same.
Okay.
If I
Is
put
it
two
like,
blacks,
like you
it's
said
a
in
good thing. It's a good
way
thing.
or-
It's a good thing. It's a good thing.
Okay.
Maintaining the youthfulness is a great thing.
Right. Then
You will
it's
see
okay.
when this man is going to serve everything to us in. Oh. Okay, so.
Thank you.
Oh. Thanks.
But you're here to eat.
Oh,
so
yeah, that's true.
just
Thank
eat.
you. That's fine. We will serve the rest. Thank you so very much. Now, so yeah. So tell me about the special
About that.
permission.
Oh,
Did
yeah, so
did
we
all
did-
your classmates like you?
I don't
බලන්නකෝ
think so.
මෙයාට විතරක් special permission දීලා TV
It
එකේ
was a
ඉන්න.
children's program, so
Did you get your classmates to come on the show?
no one was allowed to.
Oh my, no wonder they would have so hated you.
Yeah. No, I don't think they hated me. I mean, I was good with everyone in school.
But
I
they
don't know
never
if
showed
they,
it to you.
Yeah, that
Like,
I don't know.
බලන්නකෝ
But
මෙයා.
I think I was okay with everyone. Still, like up to date, everyone's like really good with me.
Okay. Now this thing for the three sisters is so huge. This country has fallen in love with you all. Eat, no?
Yeah, okay.
After you know, I have to start guest.
It's fine. Just start.
This love for the three sisters, your love called the Priyasad sisters,
Yeah.
has become such a big thing. Like y'all are loved and people like you. A lot of brands approach y'all. Y'all are social media savvy. Y'all are quite involved in it. Not you so much, but how do you think that sort of that transition happened?
I really don't know how to answer it. Well,
Hard to eat and talk, is it?
a bit. No, it's like this. I think so many people think that it's because of our father that we got into this industry and everything. But true, I had a childhood dream to become an actress one day.
Really?
But that actually faded, like, you know, with time when I started realizing about life more, and I wanted to. I always wanted to settle down. I wanted to get married, you know, be a housewife. You know, that's what I wanted.
Have kids and.
Yeah, that's what I wanted. So, you know, because
Now
of
you're
that
on the
thought,
way to that path, you know.
because of that thought, I slightly, you know, the idea of being an actress that faded. But still, you know, after that was during A levels when I joined the industry as an actress. I did my first movie. So
I still remember that blue dress that you come in.
blue dress.
Hot pink lipstick.
Okay.
You and Sheshadri, no,
I'm
Shanudri wear these hot pink lips like මොනවත් පේන්නේ නැහැ, ඕක විතරයි පේන්නේ.
Ah, okay.
You remember that scene where somebody is whistling and you're like, Kalbe. You're like,
No.
you're going into a campus or something in a blue dress.
That was a pink dress.
Really?
It was a pink skirt.
Well, they are not arguing with the dress,
Yeah.
but it was just not
So I
right.
was wondering, I don't remember wearing a blue dress.
That was your first film.
That was my first film. So it was directed by Uday Kantavarna Studio, Miss Uday Kantavarna Studio. So, you know, everyone thought it was because of my father that we
you got the break,
opportunities
yeah.
and all that.
And to work with him is a big thing.
Yeah. And so, yeah, I somehow got the chance to work with Uncle Uday. And I think that was one of the best things that happened. Because I know there are so many people, there are so many girls like wanting to, I mean,
Get into this field.
Yeah, to get in the field and to also work with Uncle Uday. So I had that opportunity and I feel really blessed. So yeah, that's about it.
Now, you're also very God-fearing, the three of you, as your family is. You're very, like, even during COVID-19, they used to, like, recite the rosary together.
Yeah.
They used to have family prayer time. To the outside world, do they think y'all are snobbish? You don't care?
I don't care. I really don't.
Yeah.
What matters is what you have inside. If you have that inner peace, I don't think anything else will bother you.
And you don't need to explain yourself. But
No.
genuinely, they are not. They are definitely not. Actually, when I got to know you all, I think I've known Dinakshi the longest.
Yeah.
Yeah. You all used to not talk.
I also believe that prayers is something that will help you achieve so much in life. It's not about the materialistic things that we have, but you know, you need to have that mental, the freedom, the peace of mind. Those are the most important things that you need to have in life. And I have been praying for those, and I have that. So I think it's all but God has granted.
It's amazing. They always say what doesn't kill you will definitely make you, or is it what doesn't break you will make you? Something
Yeah,
on those
something
lines.
like
You
that.
got the message, that I was trying to say. That was a bit hard. But anyway, there was a big part in our life that sort of was the turning point, because sometimes we do it out of love, but sometimes it's not the right thing. But then great things open up. We're going to speak more about how life changed for Shadow when we do come back. Do stick around. It's Done 1-5. We have so much to go through in terms of eating. There's a pot full of crabs here. So, gotta take this break. We'll see you after this. Welcome back to the show, our final segment on Done 1-5, and we're enjoying some good dessert. I've got banana fritters. It always takes me down south when it comes to banana fritters. I don't know why. But at the same time, just to let you know, fun fact, king prawn, its origin is from Norelia. And there's actually a king prawn in Norelia, and now we have it here, just on Gaul Road. In conversation with Shadow, looking beautiful as always in a bright yellow top. I wanted to speak a little bit about this industry might have not been fair by you in terms of cruelty, statements, judgment, opinions, and also the fact that you made decisions in life.
Yeah.
How did you handle all of that?
Initially, it was very hard. You know, I was not used to it. I was getting really upset.
And you were very young at that.
Yeah, I was really young, and it was hard, honestly, very hard. I sometimes thought like how people could be so cruel, how people can be so mean. But now I've gotten like really used to it. Now if you say something mean to me, you say something bad or whatever, I just know how to ignore. I've learned that. So I think that's, it's all about how you deal with situations.
Yeah. But they say, it's very emotionally draining. Are you a sweet person?
Not really.
Really? You don't like sweets? You're a strange girl.
Okay.
I love sweets.
Okay, but I might like this because it looks good.
Mama ඇඟ හැදුවේ මේ ඔක්කොම කාලා තමයි.
පේනවා.
Oh, lazy ne? To maintain such a stature, it's not easy. What is that?
There's ice cream. I need to go.
Deeper.
Yeah.
You know what I don't like? Sometimes I give the best to the guest.
You want to try this?
No, it's okay. I'll do
nice.
it off camera. I don't want people to think I'm greedy. I maintained a very stable relationship. Stable outlook
Okay.
to my greediness. All right.
Right.
Let's speak a little bit about what are your future plans. Now you have a new chapter in life that has started. Do we hear wedding bells are ringing?
Not anytime soon.
But you don't know whether it's ringing or not?
We'll have to ask Krishan.
Hello, whenever you start a joint TikTok account, that wedding is confirmed.
Then no need to marry, no? No need to have a function and wedding and all
But
this.
now this person called Krishan, Marlon Pereira, how did he win your heart? He was your sister's friend.
Yeah, sister's best friend. They are
My
best friends.
God.
I like this.
All right, okay. But how did you get into this? You could have
So-
asked your sister out, no?
No, I think Akki was the one, it was Akki's plan. Akki was the one who asked Krishan to speak to me because we
Oh.
both were like in a similar situation at that
Yeah,
time.
in terms of relationships.
Yeah. So, he's watching.
Where? He's here. Krishan, you better thank your lucky stars, or otherwise you'll never get this.
So, yeah, it was Akki's idea. just she wanted us to just talk and see how things will go on. So yeah, so
Who popped the question first? Did you feel anything towards him?
not
like
at
that?
the beginning,
Yeah,
not
because
like
you've seen
that.
him in his teenage.
I've always considered him as a friend. Yeah, so
How do you take him off the friend zone? Because a lot of people just put them there and leave them there.
I don't know. It just happened, you know. We haven't asked each other out.
Okay.
No.
So you can still say no.
Oh yeah. Yes.
Keep the demand flying high. Don't just give in like that. But
Correct.
so there'll be some good news in 2021.
Maybe.
Before we do anything, this COVID needs to leave us.
I mean, yes.
Otherwise
Because
you'll
of
be-
this COVID, we can't do anything actually.
I know, can't
So-
even plan anything.
So, to be honest, we haven't planned anything yet, but eventually it will happen. So, and you're definitely going to be there.
I know, I'm playing a huge part in this wedding. I might be the Poro itself. Yeah.
There's no
I know,
photo for
true. I
us.
just wanted, I figured that out. I later. Sorry, it's fine. Well, too bad. Anyway, just wanted to ask you one more
Yeah.
thing. Who is the most annoying sister out of the two of them? You have Dinakshi and you
Shanudri.
have.
He's
Didn't
the
even-
most annoying one.
Who do you
She
fight
is
the
the
most with?
demanding one, she is the annoying one, she is the naughtiest one, she is everything.
Who fights the most?
Aki and Shanu.
Really?
Yeah. But now Shanu doesn't fight because Aki is
Doesn't
not
have
there.
Aki
the
there,
thing
no?
is, with me, I just don't give a damn. Like if she says something, I just, just. ask
But
her.
during COVID-19 lockdown, we still have it. You know, I know how we Sri Lankans say during COVID, like
COVID-19.
just because we have been put outside doesn't mean that the COVID is gone. But
Yeah.
I still remember how the two of them are so active on social media. She has this eye roll sign going.
I was their cameraman.
Yeah, for most of the time.
Yeah.
All right, but I just wanted to let you know I've had actually they both. I have had two sisters on this show, and there's always a demand for them. Whenever we feature them, lots of people write saying, get the other one, get this one. It's wonderful to know that y'all are so loved and y'all are appreciated. There may be a segment that may say something about y'all, but there's also a huge segment that really loves you and cares for you and has really seen who you are for who you are actually,
Yeah.
and not for what we see on screen or what they have assumed and imagined. But it's amazing. I think I think the three of you have done so well. Y'all have definitely made your dad proud for the industry that he's in, and y'all have maintained such a great image and kept yourself together. Thank you so very much for being on the show.
Thank you
Always a
so much
pleasure
for
to have
having
you.
me, Danu.
We also did a TikTok while we were here.
Oh, yeah.
It took a long time for this to start.
That's because I'm really not in the TikTok scene, but yeah,
We did
I shall. Manda Pama.
Manda Pama Boom. It's a good one. We'll try and insert that as well. There's a lot of inserts going in this show. But at the same time, we would like to let you know, if you want to come and have a good family time, eat a hearty meal, go back home feeling full, happy and wanting more, well, I'm telling you, King Prawn is the place. It's done by a nice set of people, and you can see it in the food, you can see it in the service. So until we see you with another cool episode to Danu on Fire, it's a wrap. My name is Danu, and this is the beautiful Sado. Ta-da.